That's your profit. And the profit is being cut from the ground. No one wants to buy those potatoes. They will get rotten very quickly, and the shelf life of that potato that you've cut is very, very short. So you don't want to experience that. And if you are a first time potato farmer, when you are harvesting, don't cut many of the potatoes. Mostly the potatoes that are prone to that issue of potato cutting are those big potatoes. Those big potatoes, you cut them, you cut them, you cut them. By cutting them, it's just loss. So make sure you find a good team that will harvest potatoes for you. If it means you are a small farmer or you are a first-time potato farmer, you don't have anything to use to harvest the potatoes, you are doing it manually. Make sure, I don't want to talk about harvest or whatever because I don't know much about those big potato farmers, how they harvest and what are the challenges they are facing in terms of harvesting potatoes. I'm talking about just a small piece of land, harvesting manually. You cut potatoes. By cutting those potatoes, you are losing money, you are losing your profits. You are losing the profits each and every time that you cut potatoes. You are losing profits. So make sure the team is the right team for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa, Ndrumkunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter, and I am the daughter of Africa. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you like, if you share this video, that's how I grow, guys, and you will be part of She Africa YouTube channel family. As you can see, guys, I'm in the garden where there are some potatoes. There's a heap of potatoes, and you can see clearly there are some potato heaps in this garden. I'm at my homestead, and today we are harvesting some potatoes because we have a customer who is coming to buy these potatoes, and we are very, very happy about it because this is the time for us to harvest and to see how much are we going to get from this garden. And I'm just hoping we will be able to return the money that we used, and also we will be able to get the profit from this garden. So I want to share with you the experience that I have from this garden, out of this small portion that you see, where you can see some potato heaps. Okay, the first thing that I have studied and the first thing that I have seen, when you are harvesting potatoes, it's easy to cut those big potatoes, those big sizes. It's very easy to cut them. Why? Maybe it's because of the size. You can cut the potato on the corner, you can cut it maybe wherever, but it's very easy to cut the big potatoes than the smaller ones. Maybe it's because of the size. So yeah, so it's good to have good team, good people on the ground so that they can help. Now let's move on to the second experience that I have in potato farming, especially this year. On another video, I've showed you a small piece of land in this garden. There were some potatoes, and those potatoes were just wilting and wilting. Maybe it was just a soil-borne disease that was causing those potatoes to wilt, or whatever the disease was. But on that area, we were getting some rotten potatoes, and it's loss. That's loss. So now let's pick some potatoes in the pockets. Hi guys, good morning. It's early morning and our customer is here. We have to pick the potatoes for him. It's around 6 o'clock early morning. So we are picking some busy harvesting. As you want to remove the soil from the potato,
Yes.
Oh, why do you remove soil? They should know that it's red soil potato.
Anditi mota cha vamwe atodi mandikira achiwa yakadadima andokuzati aya mazvikuti pamota yangu muzi ava vanenge vakutotengesa
also ndinokakata ichi kai like this. I see what good morning.
unobata chibata chimwe chikusaidi
chekusaidi ndosunga. So guys, imagine a farmer who is learning how to pack potatoes from the buyer. From the customer. Imagine. Look at these guys. Tinopedza. The girls are harvesting there. Do you see them? They are busy harvesting. Yes. Look at these guys. Look at this. Fresh from this garden. Look at this. Look at these guys. These ones. Achimbotengeseri mumwe.
Aiwa chacha kuti ndinondikapira vanotengesa vanokosipo.
Obeti special customer.
Aiwa mana hanzvadzi musatengesa mudati alright kana muda kumatengesa tanga munosiya straight book zako. Modzichera moisa mumasaga. Mondiudza kuti obeti taisa straight book zako pasaidi.
Alright, hatimbotengesi inini ndiudze kana ndinokusapota.
Zvanzi zvinooneka zvatengesa izvi.
Aiwa, ngavambotengesi ava. Gaibonta. They are just joking.
Nani? Mukuru uno unosiya munhu akatendeka ndiani? Wanika aenda nemota. Anda kubasa uyu.
Stella goes to work.
Unowanika kana kunyepa kuti ndarohwa nekanzuru. Hazvakambirika nomwe munhu akawanika akanyepewa ndarohwa nekanzuru. Chero amupa $5 anotonyepa kuti tanzi ndarohwa $50. Chero amupa 20, chero amupa 5. Mwini zinamupa 30. Uchasara nei?
Kanzuru hanzi yaro. Kanzuru. Pana vamasho vakatenga.
Unozanganisa ogani madini. Angazanganisa wa. Hai.
Irora.
Patara kuti pakatowanda patina kuenda.
Aita kwaya peti muzvona. Obeti achatakura kubva ipapo. Look at these guys. We have managed to harvest 22 pockets of potatoes. And our customer is going now. Let's cover the truck so that he can go.
Blackie.
How do you do it? Stretch it. $4. You
$6.
It is the nearest.
Vamwe vachitiudza kuti ati mungaimudidze mapotato vasati kana vamboita one day.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muganda. Muganda.
Kana muda kuzotengesa muda kutengesa ayo isai tanga mama visa 25 boxes visa pasai.
Uchadi 30.
Isa 25 30 baba. Kana zvese zvemumangoita mukanisa 30 dzamuisa pasai. Mutengesa. Ini ndasana kudza kuti aya ari fresh hambomeri. Maingogara mangoisa 30 pasai.